In this video, I will show you how to fix Stremio add-ons not working. First, you have to open the Stremio application on your computer or laptop. Make sure to log in to your account. You will find many suggestions for series and movies in Home. On the left sidebar, tap on the add-ons icon. You'll be directed to the add-ons page and you will find different add-ons. There are 3 sections that are official add-ons: Community Add-ons and My Add-ons. Click on the search bar in the top right corner. You can find the add-ons you want. If you find an error in add-ons, go to the settings on the left side. Go to your browser and open the Stremio official website. Download the latest version of the Stremio application. Open a new tab and search fast.com in the address bar. You have to ensure that the internet connection is stable. Now, you have to restart the computer and the add-ons will start working. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.